Alright guys, if I can get the camera to focus in here. I know it's always dark where I'm working and everything, but been working on the Terramite for most of the weekend, redoing the mounts that were torched off. I have a bunch of pictures of it if this doesn't turn out too good, but over here where there's a lot of sunlight, I think you'll be able to see it here. But as you can see, I got the mounts made up. They are not welded. I do have the bolts in over there on both sides, and I have this top piece made up. So what I may do is I may top tack this top piece in on both sides, just so they don't move around, because they only fit one way and such. You can see, you got this side going here. This side's nice and tight. The other side I goofed with my measurements a little bit. So got a little bit of a gap there in the front, but I can easily bridge that with a big stick welder. So that's the update on the Terramite for the time being. I don't know if I ever mentioned it, but I made a bunch of stuff cobble welded on here. There's a pipe and some other stuff, and just slowly cleaning it up here. I'm getting it ready so I can go sit at the fair here at the end of August, first week of September, I believe. So anyhow guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you everybody later.